In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your photos into realistic watercolor paintings in Photoshop. This effect gives your artwork that look, perfect for adding a hand-painted feel to your photos. By the end of this video, you'll be able to transform any image into a beautiful watercolor masterpiece using just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Start by right-clicking on your image layer and selecting Convert to Smart Object. This allows you to make non-destructive edits, meaning you can go back and adjust any effect later without damaging the original image. Go to the Filter menu, then select Filter Gallery. From there, choose the Dry Brush filter. Set brush size and brush detail to 10. Set texture to 1. Click OK to apply this effect. Next, go back to Filter, Filter Gallery, and choose Cutout. Leave the settings at their default values and click OK. After that, double-click the filter to open blending options and change the blending mode to Pin Light for a more artistic touch. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose Smart Blur. Set Radius to 5. Set Threshold to 100. Set Quality to High. Once applied, go into the blending options for this effect and change the blending mode to Screen. Then reduce the opacity to 50%. This softens the overall look. Head back to Filter, Stylize, and select Find Edges. This will outline your artwork, giving it that hand-sketched effect. Set the blending mode to Multiply to blend the outlines with the artwork. Now, download the paper texture from the link in the description and place it on the canvas. Use Ctrl+T to resize and fit it perfectly over your image. Then, apply the Sharpen filter to bring out the texture details and set the blending mode of the texture layer to Multiply. This adds a realistic paper background to your watercolor effect. For a finishing touch, download the Watercolor Brush set for free from the description link. Click on this layer and hold the Alt key while clicking Add Layer Mask. Select the brush tool and choose one of the watercolor brushes from the set you downloaded. I'll be using Sampled Brush 27. Go into Brush Options, turn on Brush Dynamics, and set Angle Jitter to 100%. Begin stamping over your canvas, using different brush strokes to bring back parts of the image, creating a natural watercolor look. And there you have it, a stunning, realistic watercolor painting effect that brings your images to life with a soft, hand-painted look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on my latest tutorials. Share your amazing results in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.